Python variables. Variable names, assign multiple values, output variables, global variables. Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. Creating variables. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assigned a value to it. Here, example. You can see the code. X is equal to y is equal to Vishnu. Print x, print y. The result will be like this, 5 and Vishnu. Variables do not need to be declared with a particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Here's example. Example, see here, x is equal to 4, x is equal to theta, x is of type of integer and theta is string. Print x. Okay. See here, theta was printed. Casting. If you want to specify the data type of variable, this can be done with casting. See here, x is equal to casting means like this. String 3, integer 3, float 3. See here, 3, 3, 3.0. This is the result. You can get the data type of variables with the type parenthesis function. This type function. Okay, x is equal to y is equal to Vishnu, print type x, print type y. See here is shown class. Which type it will show it. Class integer, class string. 5 is an integer, Vishnu is a string. Singular double quotes. String variables can be declared either by using singular double quotes. See here, you can use here double quotes like this. See here, you can use double quotes or single quote. Case sensitive. Variable names are case sensitive. This will create two variables. See here, a is equal to 4, small a. Here I have given small a, here I have given capital A. Capital A will not overwrite a. See here, both printed. Python variable names. A variable can have a short name like x and y or more descriptive name age, char name, total, value. Rules of Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character like this. A variable name cannot start with a number. No variable should start with number in front of this. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscores, that is capital A or small letter, 0 or in between 9 and underscore. Legal variable names. See, I had given some examples. These are all small letters in between underscore, here underscore, letters, underscore. See here, small letters and again capital letter. These are all capital letters. These are small letters. After that, a integer. See here, this is perfect, but the integer should not come in front of a letter. It will be get error. See here, Vishnu, all printed. Illegal variable names. See here, the variable starting with number, it will get error. It's a illegal variable. This example will produce an error in the result. See here, the result, you got the error. Error is showing error. See here, line 1 error. Multi-words variable names. Variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read. There are several techniques you can use to make them more readable. First, we will see camel case. Each word except the first starts with a capital letter. See here, is small letter and other they are in capital. That is like a camel, hump like that. Second, Pascal case. Each word starts with a capital letter. Each word started with a my, v, n. M, v, n. Start with capital letter. Snake case. Each word is separated by an underscore character. See here, my underscore variable underscore name. Python variables assign multiple values, many value to multiple variables. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. See here code X, Y, Z. See Rose, Jasmine, Lily. Print X, print Y, print Z. Make sure the number of variables matches the number of values, or else you will get an error. See X, Y, Z. For X, Rose is there, Y, Jasmine is there, Z, Lily is there. If you put another word, not giving this another variable, it will get error. Only value to multiple variables, and you can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. See X is equal to Y, Y is equal to 0, rows. Print X, print Y, print Z. See both rows result was printed here. Unpack a collection. If you have a collection of values in a list, tuple, etc., Python allows you to extract the values into variables. It is called unpacking. Unpack a list. See here, flowers is equal to square brackets, sunflower, jasmine, lily. They are all in one thing. X, Y, Z is equal to flowers. Print X, print Y, print Z. See here, they all unpacked. Python output variables. The Python print statement is often used to output variables. To comment both text and a variable, Python uses the plus character, and you can assign the name value to multiple variables in one line. See here, X is equal to awesome. Print Python is plus X. See X is equal to awesome. That is Python is awesome. The result will be like this. You can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. See here, X is equal to Python is, Y is equal to awesome. Z is equal to Y plus X plus Y. Print Z. See Python is awesome. This is the result. For numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. See here example, X is equal to Y, Y is equal to 10, print X plus Y. The result is 15. If you try combine a string and a number, Python will give you an error. See here, X is equal to 5, Y is equal to Vishnu. Because it's a integer, it's a string. You can't add string and integers. See type error. Unsupported operator type for plus integer and string. Python global variables. Variables that are created outside of a function, as in all of the examples above, are known as global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of function and outside. And you can assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. Create a variable outside of a function and use it inside the function. It's the example. See, my function value. X is equal to awesome. Def my function. Print Python is X plus print plus X, my function. Python is awesome. Okay. If you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local and can only be used inside the function. The global variable with the same name will remain as it was global and with the original value. Create a variable inside a function with the same name as a global variable. See here, def my function is global variable. X is equal to awesome, X is equal to fantastic, print Python is plus X. My function print Python is plus X. See here, Python is fantastic, Python is awesome. Both printed. The global keyword. Normally, when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and can only be used inside that function. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use a global keyword. If you use a global keyword, the variable belongs to the global scope. Here my function is a keyword. See here, def my function global X, print Python is X. Python is fantastic. The result will be like that. Also use the global keyword if you want to change a global variable inside a function. To change the value of a global variable inside a function, refer to the variable by using the global keyword. See here, the code global x like this. X is equal awesome, def my function global x is equal fantastic. See my function print Python is plus x, that is Python is fantastic. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5 variables. In next video, let us learn about another topic, data types. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.